This is snapper fish. It is very easy to make and very delicious. Let's make it. Start by heating up your pan at a medium to medium high heat and let it warm up. Now season your fish fillet with salt, pepper, and a bit of Italian herbs. I think Italian herbs gives it an extra flavor and it's very good. Pour some olive oil onto the fish fillet or any oil of your choice and mix well. The reason why we're putting oil on top of the fish fillet and not in the pan is so that we can cook it better. When it is warm enough, you can put your snapper or fish fillet onto the pan and start to cook it. You don't want to see it sizzling on the pan like you would on a steak because you want to slowly cook your fish. Make sure you cook both sides and flip when you need to. You might also want to put the lid on so you can steam the fish and cook it better. Maybe steam it for a little bit longer at the end and then you can serve it.